Homemade medicine to control diabetes. Diabetes can be cured naturally by using Ayurvedic simple home remedies following from ancient times which we don't know. Let us see how diabetes can cure naturally by using black cumin and cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds and ivob seeds. Black cumin. Black cumin seeds decreases high blood glucose levels by increasing insulin sensitivity and glucose uptake by cells. Cumin seeds help to block formation of age-advanced glycation end products typical in most diabetes. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are being used as traditional herbal treatment for diabetes. It is a good supplement to cure diabetes. Ingredients: fenugreek seeds 25 grams, cumin seeds called jeera 25 grams, kalonji seeds that is black jeera 25 grams and ajwain 25 grams. Preparation: add fenugreek seeds in hot pan and roast on medium-high heat for 1 or 2 minutes. Stir frequently until it gets red-brown in color as shown in video and keep it aside. Now fry ajwain, black cumin and brown cumin seeds until it gets light red-brown color. Repeat. Until it gets light red-brown color. Now add fenugreek seeds and all ingredients one by one in grinder and switch on mixer to make ingredients into powder. Check the powder for solid parts to be grinded and switch on grinder to mix thoroughly. Fenugreek and black cumin powder is now ready and take it in a small container box and use it in regular diet for good results. Usage rule: mix 1 teaspoon of fenugreek and black cumin powder in glass of water and take in daily usage before breakfast and dinner and check diabetes levels for every 3 days. By taking this powder regularly, you can reduce high blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. 2 green leaves kills your diabetes naturally. Diabetes, often referred to by doctors as diabetes mellitus, describes a group of metabolic diseases in which the person has high blood glucose either because insulin production is inadequate or because the body cells do not respond properly to insulin. Are you fed up with treatment and daily medicines? Then go with these amazing leaves. You will get amazed with results. How to make medicine? No need to eat, no need to drink its juice. Just touch your foot palm. Yes, it is true, a different remedy for you to treat your diabetes. For this, we need 2 fresh oak leaves. Process to follow. Take 2 full leaves of oak plant. Turn opposite side, that is back side of the leaf. Place leaf under your socks to touch foot palm like shown in video. Make sure that leaf backside touching your foot palm. Place another leaf to the other leg in same process and wear socks. Allow these leaves to stay full day under your feet. Remove before going to bed and clean your legs. Repeat this process for 1 week with new leaves. After 1 week, check your blood sugar level. You will be amazed. Repeat this process until you get normal blood sugar levels. Note: don't allow oak leaves milk inside your eyes. It may damage eyesight. It should not be used during pregnancy and lactation time. By doing this regularly for 1 week, you can reduce high blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. 6 things you should do regularly to reduce the risk of diabetes. Diabetes is one of the most common lifestyle diseases in the world. India is among the top 3 countries with about 64.5 million people affected by diabetes till last year. Moreover, it has been predicted that diabetes will be the 7th largest killer in the world by 2030. Diabetes is a chronic disease with no known cure, and the medication available only helps in keeping the blood sugar levels as close to normal to avoid other health complications. But you should know that you can reduce the risk of diabetes by taking certain preventive measures. Simple lifestyle measures have been shown to be effective in preventing or delaying the onset of type 2 diabetes. Maintaining normal body weight, engaging in regular physical activity, and eating a healthy diet can reduce the risk of diabetes. Here are 6 tips to help reduce the risk. Lose excess body fat. Being overweight is a big risk factor for diabetes. In contrast, every kilogram of weight lost reduces the risk of diabetes by 16%. Adopt a healthier lifestyle as opposed to going on diets or starving the body. Small lifestyle choices go a long way in controlling weight and maintaining long-term health. Follow a balanced diet. Eat a variety of fruits and vegetables, lean protein, and good sources of fat. Foods to avoid are those rich in trans fats, processed food. Complex carbohydrates are rich in fiber and are not highly processed like refined carbohydrates. They take longer to digest and hence provide a sustained source of energy for a longer duration. Keep yourself hydrated. Studies link sugar-sweetened beverages with obesity and diabetes. Cut them out of your diet and the risk of both elements falls. Drink at least 7 to 8 glasses of water every day. Eat lots of fruits and sip decaffeinated herbal tea to keep yourself getting dehydrated. Physical exercise. Physical inactivity raises the risk of diabetes. Exercise renders cells more sensitive to insulin. Brisk walking does the trick. Low-intensity exercise done constantly over a period of at least 35 to 40 minutes, 5 times a week, should be more than enough to keep your body in shape. Over-exercising on high intensity comes with its own problems like joint issues, lower protein mass in the body, as well as muscle fatigue, especially when you are overweight. Once you drop some of the pounds, you can be introducing strength, flexibility, and endurance training. Make sure you do that with a trained and certified coach. Stressless. The stress response triggers the release of several hormones that increase blood sugar. Studies show that mindfulness meditation improves the ability to cope with stress. Physical activity and social support also help relieve stress. Sleep well. Chronic sleep deprivation and poor quality sleep increases the risk of diabetes and obesity. Try to establish regular bedtimes. Make sure you get enough sleep. 7 to 8 hours is ideal. Not getting enough rest not only affects your body, it influences how well you work and how much you enjoy life. Diabetic-friendly fruits to manage your blood sugar. Diabetes mellitus, DM, commonly referred to as diabetes, is a chronic disorder. It occurs when the pancreas does not secrete enough insulin or when the cells of the body become resistant to insulin. In either case, the blood sugar cannot get into the cells for storage, which then leads to serious complications. Diabetes, perhaps more than any other disease, is strongly associated with the Western diet as it was uncommon in cultures consuming a primitive diet. Here are some diabetic-friendly fruits which helps to control your blood sugar. Pomegranate. Pomegranates contain the richest combinations of antioxidants of all fruits and can protect you from free radicals and chronic diseases. So, feel free to enjoy these red peels with such powerful phytochemical compounds. Grapes. Grapes modulates the blood glucose response by affecting how the body secretes and uses insulin. Hence, grapes are a good choice keeping its nutritional profile in mind. Resveratrol and phytochemical found in grapes. Apples. Diabetics should feel free to eat apples. In fact, apples along with blueberries and grapes are especially beneficial for reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes, according to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Strawberries. Strawberries have low glycemic index, hence it's slowly released in the bloodstream as glucose. It can also improve immunity, has cancer-fighting ability, and increases metabolism, which in turn helps you lose weight. Guava. It is a great snack for diabetics with a low glycemic index. Guava is very rich in dietary fiber that helps ease constipation and can lower the chance of developing type 2 diabetes. Watermelon. The high potassium content makes watermelon one of the best fruits for proper kidney functioning, which in turn keep your blood uric acid levels on the lower side. This prevents kidney damage, especially if you are diabetic. Also, diabetes can cause nerve damage, but lycopene found in watermelon really helps reduce the effect. Papaya. Natural antioxidants within the fruit make papaya a great choice for diabetics. Diabetics are prone to many ailments, including heart to nerve damage caused by irregular blood sugar levels. A diet incorporating papaya can obstruct future cell damage for a better and longer lifespan. Oranges. The flavonols and phenolic acid found in oranges have shown tremendous protective abilities, especially in diabetics. When it comes to glucose metabolism, citrus fruits not only slow glucose uptake but also inhibit the movement or transport of glucose through the intestines and liver. Being a diabetic should never stop you from eating fruits. The key is to eat a wide variety to keep your body toxin free, benefiting from their important role in detoxification.